Hi guys, Eddie here. Today we're going to be unboxing a RC car, sports car that is an elite. The car's name is Nikko Panther. So now let's first take a quick tour of the front. So there's high speed, max speed 20 miles per hour, which is very fast, and auto tuning, ready to run. The scale is 110. So this is how it is. Upside down. So I flip it over. I flip it over so it doesn't fall out. This is how it is. Let me put the box here. So now we just got it cut. Now let's flip it over. The battery. Here's the battery. It's 9.6 V. We're going to put this in the store. Now we have in the batteries. So this, it says 2.4 gigahertz. That's an on and off button. And this is where we put the batteries. This is how it looks, guys. And now let's see the front. So I like the front. It has a pretty good jump, and this is how it looks. So now this is I'm gonna put this here. This is the remote. This is for steering 2, and this is for steering 2. That's on and off button. This is for going forward. This is for going backwards. And this is, I mean, put the battery. Test it out. Right on. It's at 20 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour. So it will go very fast. 13. It's pretty hard to control because it's really fast. See, this is for steering. This is for steering too. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe down below and please like this video. Bye!